you may have the requirement like I want to skip the first two element, right, and I want to display the excluding this two element, like that I have the requirement. So what that time we will require another function like skip. What the skip is doing, skip is simply the skipping the number of the element. The skip function takes the parameter which takes the number of the element, which simply will skip that number of the element from the stream. So let me explain you this skip. Words dot stream, first we have to create the stream anyhow. Stream dot let me skip, right, let me skip the first two element and I only want to display what I have done. I have used the skip method. I have given the input as a 2. So what it will do, it will skip the first two element of the list and will display. So let me comment this one first. So here you can find the output as a PQR, XYZ and DFFD. Like means we have skipped the first two element, right? What will happen if I give the skip for the number of element in the list? So currently we have the 5 element. If I given the 5 element, it will skip all the element in the stream. Means what will get, we will get the blank. Okay, so that is all about the skip. So now we have seen the two methods. First one is the limit and second one the skip. So what limit is doing, limit is limiting the number of the element. It will consider the only the number of the element whatever we have specified. If you specified here the 4, then it will consider only first 4 element. If we given number as a 2, then it will consider only 2 element. But in case of skip, whatever the number of element we have given as a parameter to the skip, it will remove that element, or we can say that it will exclude that particular number of the element from the stream and will process the remaining one. That is all about the skip. Now sometime you may have the requirement like I want to skip the first two element, or you may have the some requirement like I want to only display the fourth element of the stream, or you may have the requirement like you want to display the third and fourth element of the stream only. So that time how we will perform this? So what I will do, I want to display only the third and fourth element of the stream. So what I will do, I will skip this two element first, then I will apply the limit of the 2. So we can use both in the combination. Words dot stream, first I will skip this two element because I want to display the third and fourth. So I will first I will skip the two element. Then once I have skipped this two element, I want to only the display this next two element. Means I don't want this element. So what I will limit up to 2 dot limit 2, and then I will display it. Hope so it will work and it will display the PQR and XYZ. Yes, we are getting the PQR and XYZ, means we can use this both limit and skip with each other in combination also.